guys, welcome back to my channel. We got a new tech for today. Okay, we've got a new tech. Yes, we've got a new tech, and this is yeah, we've got some Instax Mini S. So from Fujifilm, right? So rollback price. So I think this one's from Walmart. So and also this is not sponsored video from Walmart, right? So since I bought this for my own, right? So I bought the color turquoise. No, this is not turquoise, so I don't know. Yeah, I may be colorblind. Okay, so yeah, from this color, so I think I also love the color, right? So and it's also yeah, and I think the regular price for this one is I think 70 plus, right? So and it's on rollback price, which only costs 55 bucks, right? So $55. So I think $55 is not bad, right? Not bad, not bad. Right? So yeah, and it is a good one. So okay, yeah, and we got some, yeah, they have some film right over here, and I believe it's a battery operated. So since I also saw a battery right over there, right? So without further ado, okay, let's gonna have to unbox this one, and let's gonna have to check it out, right? So my first time having an Instax Mini. Okay, alright, so here it goes. We've got the Instax Fujifilm, so Instax Mini SE. So instant camera plus film and bundle. 10 sheets of film, right? So easy and simple to use. What is this one? Simulated image develops in approximately 90 seconds. Final Instax Mini image size is 2 by 3. Okay, so I think they have also a film in Walmart, right? We've got right here at the back so that we can see all right. Okay, green blister is the color of this one, right? So okay, let's go, gonna have to open this up, and then let's go, gonna have to check it out. So I believe the manual is in this big, you know, that we can see it very clearly. So I think I'm gonna have to buy one for, I'm gonna have to buy again for this one for my niece, right? So and to bring it into Philippines, gonna have to buy for my niece. Christmas gift for my niece. Okay, yeah. Okay, right over here is also, yeah, another one right over here is kind of hard. This kind of packaging is really hard, right? So you know, yeah, I don't want to, okay, I don't want to tear up this because okay, oh, I think the manual is already there, so I think I'm gonna have to throw this one, right? So this one, I'm gonna have to throw this one, right? So since the manual is right over there, so since the manual is right over there, so it's a big one, right? So it is a big, okay. So I also have another one for this one, but it is a VVTAR, and it is not cleared. It's a black and white, but still good, you know, it's still good. So and you can still save those pictures from an SD card is because there's an SD card slot for that VVTAR, right? Yeah, here it goes. So I'm gonna have to take that camera. Ooh, heavy. Okay, that one's heavy. Okay, we've got some 4 batteries right over here. Okay, and then put that one on the floor. We've got a strap. Okay, we've got a strap, and also we've got the film right over here, and also we've got the manual right over here, right? So yeah, how to use this one. So since I am new to this one, so I have to read it all. Okay, so we've got some right over here is for the film. So what is the size of the film of this one? I think 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3. Okay. I think they also has a, you know, right, for the mini SE. So Oh wait, they got a box. Okay, nice. I love this. Okay, they got a box. So how do I gonna insert this one? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to check the manual, right? So we got, what is this? Okay, they got some stickers. Okay, nice. Okay, Instax register now. Okay, yeah, what is this? Okay, I'll have to put aside first. Okay, um put the open, and then battery, put the battery on, and then yeah, put the cartridge, and also for the film, right? So they got a lens in the camera too. So at the back, okay, so okay, that's a quick, that's quick. Okay, I'm gonna have to open this one. Okay, so just hold on for a minute. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take the battery one by one. Okay, so they just kind of a for retro type in a modern world, right? So gonna have to take this. Oh, okay, what is this? Okay, okay, so gonna have to check that one, how to put this battery. Okay, again for the manual. Okay, yeah, for the manual right over here. So we're gonna have to, at the below, at the first two is up is minus, right? And plus. Okay, and then okay, I got it. Okay, so okay, am I right? So I'm gonna have to check that one again. I'm gonna have to check that one. Okay, okay, right over here. So I'm gonna have to put this on, yeah, and then the other one minus again. Okay, it's minus. Okay, the upper one, oh I think I think I'm not, this is not okay. The other one, okay, there you go. The first, okay, hanap to fourth. Okay, okay, here is the quick form. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's time to replace the battery. So when the flash, okay, for AA size 1.5, use the alkaline batteries. Use only alkaline. Okay, alkaline batteries is gonna be the battery for this one. So you don't have to use any kind of batteries. Only alkaline, right? So insert the batteries before you load the Instax mini Instax film pack. Right? Okay, the batteries include a free sample. So at the bottom, okay, right over here, the first two is, I think is minus. I think it's, yeah, really, yeah, it's minus, right? It's minus, okay, and then plus, yeah. Much better if you're gonna be using the, manual, right? It's because sometimes you don't know how to use it, because for this one there are four, so you need to, that, you need, okay, okay, and then right, okay, Here it goes. Okay, we're done. Okay, so the next is gonna be also the film. So I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to, then I think this one right here is for the film. Okay, after that, open this one right over here. Okay, and then for the Instax mini film, I'm gonna have to, yeah. Okay, the picture is gonna be right over there, so I think, okay, I'm gonna have to tear, I think I'm gonna have to tear it off, I think. Yeah, so since, yeah, okay, front facing the this one right over here, and then, yeah, so, all right, I think that's good, right? There you go. So next is number 3, pull out the lens. Oh yes, okay, it's blinking, right? Yeah, okay. So, and then after that, I'm gonna have one right over there, right? So I'm gonna have to try, okay, how to use this. This one? I think this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it. Okay. So alright, here it goes. So this is the film, right? I think, is this the film? Don't put in mouth. Okay, yeah, okay, gonna have to wait for 90 seconds. There it goes. Yeah, at the back. So do I have to peel this one? Okay, not in here, but you know, as you can see, right there you go. Yeah, there you go, my face right over there. Yeah. Yes, perfect is good. Yeah, nice. All right, nice. Okay, I have to wait for another couple of minutes, right? So I'm gonna have to take one shot from our dog. Okay. All right, so we've got another one for our dog. Okay, still not on a, yeah, so still waiting for it. So I still waiting for it. Okay, yeah, there it goes. It's already, you know, right? It's already, and also the first picture that I have is right over here. Nice. Not so, not bad, not bad. Is because there's a flash on it, right? So there's a flash, so that's why it is so light over here. All right, so yeah, perfect. So here it goes, is the dog right over here. Oh, nice. Will you look at that? Yeah, perfect, really nice. Yeah, nice, perfect. I really like it a lot. So I think I'm gonna have to use this when we are gonna go to California for the, what is this called, Universal Studio Tour, and also Disneyland, right? I think for next year. So I have to save money for ticket, for the plane ticket, and for the shopping galore in the shopping galore in California. Right? So yeah, there it goes. They're very perfect, and also I really love it. Nice. And yeah, I think if you want to turn it off, gonna have to pull. There you go. Yeah, that's how you turn it off. Say, if you want to turn it on, yeah, and also to turn it off like that one. Oh, nice. I already know it. Okay, I already know without reading the manual, right? But still, if you want to, yeah, use the, still if you want to use, yeah, this one, and we got a lanyard right over here. So I think I'm gonna have to buy for my niece, right, and also for my nephew. Yes, I also a niece and a nephew in Philippines, so I think I'm gonna have to buy each one for them, right? So that, but yeah, I don't know if they have. I think they have a film. I think someone got to. I think there's they can buy a film right there in the Philippines, right? When they gonna have it. Okay, there it goes, and then got the lanyard over here. I think my niece and nephew doesn't have an Instax, right? They are on a rollback, right? Price, so I think I'm still gonna have to buy for them. So 55, yeah, not bad for the price, 55, right? Okay, I on yeah, oh yeah, okay. I think there are 10 film. So I just use at 2. So I've got a remaining of 8 film right over here. So, all right, I got 8 film remaining. Yeah, I'm gonna have to save those one. Have to save those two right over there. Yeah, nice, okay. Perfect. Also, I really love it. Okay. So yes, all right. Yeah, I love it. And also, I really, really like it a lot, right? So, I've got an Instax Mini SE right over here from Fujifilm, right? Fujifilm. So, not a sponsored video. And also, for the rollback price of 55, which is not bad for it, right? If you want to have this one. So, yeah, perfect. And also perfect for a Christmas gift also. So I'm gonna have to buy two for this one for my niece and my nephew in Philippines, right? And I am very sure that they're gonna love it, right? It's perfect for it. So it's also a really nice a really nice Christmas gift for each for family members or friends, right? If really wanted to have this one, so perfect for Christmas gift for the rollback price of 55, right? Not bad for the price. So okay, I think that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned for more because I'm gonna give you some of my good stuffs here in my channel. Everyday carry, techs and gadgets, gaming gadgets and gears, and everything I wanted to share with all video, right? So thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.